Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making McDonald's McGriddles. Well, a spin on McDonald's McGriddles. Now, if anyone knows me, I love a dish that is both sweet and savory. And why not bring you my version of the McGriddles? The recipe and the links to the products you see me using here will be in the description below. Join our Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. Ding. And subscribe to the Little House of Beans. Smooshy that like button, hit that notification bell. It's the best way to keep this channel growing and for me to bring you weekly recipes. We do have a cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie, available on Amazon and as an ebook. Now it's Saturday morning and I am super hungry. Let's make breakfast together. Let's cook, let's make McDonald's McGriddles.